guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a mule review and unboxing of the Nike Offline 3.0. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Now let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Offline 3.0 in the Light Madder Root Arctic Orange colorway, in the UK size 8, European 42.5, and it's a US men's 9. So this is Nike's rendition of the mule here, or a house slipper, however you want to call it. I mean, ideally you can wear these outside. Personally, I would. And a couple years ago, I would say, I have seen images of the first iteration of the Offlines where they were just a normal mule. There's a lot of more details into the 3.0s, but when it came to mules in general, I was so apprehensive. Obviously, I denied myself from getting clogs, in this case Crocs, and now I live in my mules. Like, you'll always see me wearing my Crocs every day. That's what I wear most of the time at my house. Check out that review. We have done that review. And sometimes when I'm out and it's a nice day out and I'm feeling like I've got a really nice outfit, I will wear my Birkenstock mules, the Bostons, which we have done the review of on as well, and I swear by those. So when it comes to mules, they're very on trend at the minute. Everyone is all about getting comfy nowadays, and you can't go wrong with these. This is going to be my first time trying on an Offline, and we got it in a really nice colorway. You can see it in this Arctic peach or orange, however Nike called it. But before we look at all the little details, we'll start with the outsole. So you look at the outsole, it's a wavy outsole, all rubber, and as I mentioned, wavy. That's because it's there to reflect the waves from the ocean. Looking at the midsole unit, so that midsole unit is just an extension of the outsole. It's all rubber here as well, and you got a bit of foam just above it, all in this tonal color of orange, well, Arctic peach or whatever they call it, Arctic orange, so I'm right. Looking at the upper, so you got quilted textile materials here. It's very plush, very soft. That's what you need. You want to be comfortable. I mean, I can totally see people wearing these like on the campsite, but given the trend that mules have garnered over these past couple of years, you can wear these out. Don't be afraid, guys. I know it looks very technical. Even you look at the added plushness on the tongue here and the foam on the tongue as well. I mean, it is a tongue, more or less the tongue, and it's an exposed foam here, but you've got like a little protective layer, and that's got the Nike Offline 3.0 logo there. Designed and tested in the United States of America. I don't think it's really a lace system. You got a couple of rope lacing here. It's just there to hold the tongue into position. The insole, sorry, is more of that foam right there, and the way that it's shaped is there to help your orthopedic, just on the side of your feet. And it's got a great little slogan, a little motto that's etched at the back of the insole here, and it says it's okay to take a break. And it is, guys. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, take some time for yourself. Kick back, relax, take some time for yourself, and as this mule says, it's okay to take a break. That rounds off my review. Not much else to say. I'm pretty excited to try these on. I'm really expecting these to be plush and lovely when I slip my feet into these. So I'll roll out footage of me slipping on these mules. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a 7.5 and these are where they need to be, my toes, I mean. This is very comfy, not gonna lie. I like the foam that's on the underside of my feet. Feels like my feet are in a sleeping bag because of the quilt. Very warm, toasty a bit. It's a tiny bit heavy though. That's the only con of the sneaker. Like, I feel like it's very weighty. Other than that, it's very comfortable. Looks like, again, I've got sleeping bags on my feet and it looks like I'm gonna go camping. Or, you know, be brave, try some mules on. A couple years ago, you would have never seen me wear these kind of shoes. But nowadays, I'm always wearing mules, more or less. I mean, I'm exaggerating for comedic effect. All that said, here's a 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.